Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to another video in our backtesting series. So today we will cover about Nifty bearish positional strategy. So this is positional strategy. Previously we did a positional strategy called Batman, but it was a range bound strategy or a wide range strategy. So here, which is non-directional strategy, but here we are going to cover about a directional strategy. And when your view is bearish, then what you could do in a positional trading. Okay. So this is our topic today. So back testing Nifty bearish positional strategy on a monthly thing in Nifty. So we will backtest this Nifty bearish position strategy on 30th April monthly option. So and we will enter the trade on 27th March. Why do you say we need to enter on 27th March? Because based on the daily chart, if you so, this is where the 5 EMA has given us a entry. Based on the 5 EMA positional trade, we can take a trade here, and obviously we got a confirmation by the tariffs imposed by Trump. So not only the entry and the confirmations, we will also discuss about the risk and reward and capital needed to deploy these positional strategies. Just a disclaimer: positional strategies cover risk with them in terms of theta decay. So when there is a momentum in the market, or you expect a huge momentum to be there in the market, which surpasses the theta decay, you need to deploy these strategies. And when your view is directional, then you need to deploy these strategies. Okay. So coming to what are the different strategies we could deploy a long put, which is a naked put call, and the capital required is very less here, 21,758. Max losses, you could lose all your capital or a portion of your capital. So initial deployment is this one, 21,758. Max loss is the same amount, and probability of profit is 31%. You could there's a probability of you winning this trade. The only way you will win this trade is if the market goes in your direction. Okay, if it stays same or it goes against you, you'll lose the trade. That's why it is 30%. Okay, and back testing, if we did still April 4th I have done. So April 4th, if you see, it has given a 100% returns on a positional trade. Okay, we will check this also in live, but this is what I have already tested and put the results. So other than the long put, we can also put a bear put spread. So this is a bear put spread. The capital needed is 58,195 here. Max profit is 9798. Max loss is 5201. Risk to reward is 1 to 1.9, and 39.2% is the pop here. If you deploy this, you would have ended with 5,000 profit. Okay, which is 10% of what you have deployed approximately. Bear call spread also you could deploy. So this requires more capital in terms of 80,000 is needed around, and max profit is 9675. Max loss is 5325. Risk to reward is 1 to 1.8. 47.16 is your prop here. Okay, so if you deployed this, then the profit that would have ended is 6150, which is around 8 to 9%. Then you can also deploy long calendar with puts if your view is bearish on a positional thing. And if you would have deployed this requires 81,000 with a maximum profit potential of 14,711. Maximum loss is 13,807. Risk to reward is 1 to 1.1. Pop is 42.34 here. If you would have done this till April 4th, the profit is 3150. Okay, so let's test this in the stock market. So trade is, if you see this is the condition. So March 27th we will enter, and April 30th option we will check. Okay. So March 27th, if we go, so this is the 27th, 921, we will enter, and we will take a bearish long put here. Okay, no, but the thing is we need to take a long put for April 30th. Okay, so April 30th. So because the positional strategy we are deploying, so April 30th we will take, and then we will test it on a daily time frame. We will pick day until expiry we will put. So let us see. Initially, it is giving loss, but then it went into profit. Okay, as the market went in your direction, and yeah. So you see here, there was a day where you made, I think, even around 70,000 to 1 lakh also. So, but yeah. at the end of the expiry, it's around 58,000 is the profit. Yeah. This is not a hedged position. So if you are okay with losing all the capital, then only you can take such trades. Okay. Let's do the same for the other strategies. So March 27th we enter, right? So March 27th at 9:21 we enter, because that's when we got a confirmation. Then we take the bear put spread, okay, and we run it daily till end of expiry. Okay, and let us see how this performs. Run it. Oh, sorry, I took so March 27th. I should have taken March 30th one, right? So bear put spread 9:21, and then I need to run it daily till expiry. Okay. So yeah, it's running. It's initially in loss, but now it's giving profit. So yeah, it ended in profit only. So let's do for other test strategies also. March 27th, 9:21. Then we take April 30th. Bear call spread will take, and we'll run it. Okay. This was initially profitable from day one itself. This strategy, and yeah, it's profitable at the end of the till April 9th also. Okay. So let's go back and take 9:21 and then 12:30, and then take long calendar with puts. Okay, and then let's run it. This is profitable from day one itself. Yeah, so this strategy also ended in profits. Okay, if you see, yeah, so that's what these are all the, and you can also deploy long calendar with puts. Long calendar with puts we already deployed, so we could also deploy call ratio spread. Let's do that. So 9:21, we go to April 30th, and we will deploy call ratio spread. Okay, and then we will test it. So this is giving very decent returns. Yeah, it is also profitable. So if your view is correct, then all these strategies will yield you good money. You can use some strategies to get your view correct. Okay. We'll also do reverse date lizard, April 30th, right? Positional strategy. So reverse, yeah. Not sure. Yeah. So I took 24th April instead of 30th April because it was not allowing me to do it. So let us see this one. Okay. Yeah, this is also profitable. This is also profitable. So that's what, guys. So that's the positional strategies that will be deployed if your view is bearish, and if you have confirmation based on certain strategies. These are all the things that you could do. Okay. Thanks everyone for joining the call. Have a nice day.